Hey guys, Amy here with Hellbound Company and Sublimation and more. And in this video, I am showing you, I'm going to actually press test these new linen oven mitt, pot holder, and apron set. Okay. I'm really excited about these. And let me just open I'm opening the pot holder, or the oven mitt, I'm sorry. And as you can see, they're like a really nice linen. Now these are made out of the same linen material as the tote bags that I've done. They've got the really nice, soft, plush middle inside. The problems we've had with regular pot holders is that the crease right here makes it hard for them to do like a full-blown design. So with linen type stuff, you really don't want to do a full bleed. I mean, you can, but I think it takes away from the actual linen. So I tend to stick with single kind of designs, like smaller, like logo type stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today. Oh, this just ripped. Okay. So, and then we've also got the apron. So here are the designs that I'm going to do. Whatever did I do with them? Okay, so here are the designs. So I'm putting this Texas one. I'm getting ready for Christmas. So this is Christmas themed. So I'm putting this Texas one, which will match one of my pillowcases that I did from Stan. And this one's going on the oven mitt, which will go on the bottom. So that's gonna go there. This oven mitt's this is gonna go right here. And then just to kind of fill the void, I printed one of those. So we're gonna go like that. And then for the apron, we are going to just do this single design, which I created. Okay. And we're going to the apron. The apron is approximately, let me see how tall it is. I think I already answered this, but it is approximately about 31 inches long. It does have a large pocket right here. Okay. So if you want to press something on the pocket, which I probably will go back and do a second design right there later. And it's got your adjustable for the neck strap, and then you just tie it right around in the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the apron first. Recommended settings is 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And what we need to do is we're going to place that right there. So we're going to do this right. We are going to lint roll to get any loose fibers out. And you want to lint roll good. Then we are going to pre-press for a couple seconds to get a nice flat iron look. Okay. Okay. Just a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds for a pre-press will work. Sorry about that. And see how it gets it nice and flat and ready for you to press. Now we're going to take our spritz spray and we're going to lightly spray. We're going to lightly spray over the transfer. And you want to do it in the trash can because it will get sticky and get all over your carpet. So we want to place this somewhere right around there. You just want to kind of make sure it looks even, and if it doesn't and you need to move it, that's the good thing about the spray. It'll let you move it. Okay. So you want to do some medium pressure on this. And we are going to let it cook for 60 seconds. All right, we're in the last few seconds. Gonna lift. Pull your protective paper off. Lift your transfer quickly. And wow, do the colors pop on that. I am totally in love. Wow. Okay, so that's the apron. So I'm just, man, that's just beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to press the oven mitt and pot holder. So the pot holder is a little bit thicker, so we're gonna go with this first because the pressure should match this. We're gonna go ahead and get a clean piece of butcher paper. We are going to lint roll. The lint rolling is to get any loose fibers out. Now remember, it's going to hang this way, so you want your design to go this way, all right? Now we're going to do a pre-press. And you only need to do your pre-press for a couple seconds. I say 5 to 10 seconds will be good enough. All right. And that kind of just pancakes it out and gets it nice and smooth. You're going to take your transfer and spray a little adhesive on there and do it over the trash can so you don't get sticky all over your floor. And I kind of cut around my Texas just so when I'm putting it on here, I kind of get a general idea of how well it'll be centered. And now we are going to go ahead and just press again, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. All right, we're in the last few seconds. Wow. Ouch. And it's hot too. Be careful. The backside is going to be hot, but that looks fabulous. Totally in love. Okay, so now we want to do the oven mitt. Which I can't find my other piece of paper. What did I do with it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so now we're moving on to the oven mitt. Again, there's the pie holder. Love. Can't wait till Christmas time to put that up. And we are going to do a pre-press and lint roll one more time. All right, so this is a little bit thicker, so we're gonna have to raise our heat press a little bit. Mine's a swing away, so you just gotta turn the knob. And I think I'm gonna get a clean piece of paper. The reason why you wanna use clean butcher paper is so that you don't transfer any colors over from the previous design you did. This one might be a little booger. So I'm gonna go for the full 10 seconds on this pre-press, just kind of see if I can get it flattened out a little to make it easier to press. And so as you can see, we did a longer pre-press. We might get out some of that wrinkle right there, but I'm not doing a full design, so that really doesn't matter to me right now. I'm going to spray adhesive and place. That's one thing I could never figure out. If you hang your glove like this, which way should you put the design? I'm gonna go ahead and put it like that. So inquiring minds want to know what would be. Just gonna go like that. All right, so now we're gonna do a full press, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And to get it to move under there, I had to raise my pressure. Okay. All right, we're gonna let it cook for another 60 seconds. right. Quickly lift your transfer paper. And wow, I cannot get over how phenomenal the colors look. I mean, they're just so bright and vivid. I mean, I just am totally in love. So there is your oven mitt and pot holder set, and those came out fabulous. And the apron, again, came out just as fabulous. So there is the full set, and I know it's hard for you guys to see, but this is the apron, the linen apron with the linen pot holder, and the oven mitt. Totally in love. These will be items I will be offering since they passed my press test as usual, though we just got to get prices and all that good stuff figured out. So once we do, though, we'll be posting and sharing links. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm totally in love with these new items. I hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching.